nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
This all the time, judging left, twisted right. You've got me so deep.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. So today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day look. Obviously that's why these heart stickers are just sitting on my face like this, because I'm not going to be I don't have time to draw the hearts, and I got this idea from Raven here on YouTube. She did a look, put stickers on her face. I went and got some stickers and bam. Smart move. So again, today's Valentine's Day in South Korea. It is not Valentine's Day in America right now. So I'm gonna do a V-Day look. I know I said I was gonna do one, but get into the spirit. I haven't filmed a tutorial this week yet, so figured why not do it now. Enough talking, let's get started. And now I know the first palette I'm gonna be using, it's gonna cause some problems because some people hate this person, but I spent money on this. I'm gonna use it. I'm going to be using the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to go. The very first shade I'm going to use, I'm going to start the very bright shade. Well, it's not bright, but it's a bright red. Actually, it is kind of bright. The shade Prick, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to cover all of this, including the sticker. Now for the rest of this look, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics and Shade XO palette, only because I did a look with this palette and everybody loved the pink. So I'm going to use the pink again because it is a very pretty pink. And the shade is called Baby Girl. If you do not have this palette, it's this pink right here. So that's what I'm going to use right now. Now I'm going, still using the same palette, I'm going to go into the shade Vampet, this one here, and put that in my outer corners and a little bit in the crease, just to darken it a little bit so it's not too pink, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. And I added concealer. So to go on top of that concealer, I'm going to go into my Eddie Funkhouser Rockstar palette. And there's a pink shade, a light pink shimmer shade in here called Foxy Roxy. This one right here. I'm going to be using that where the concealer is. And literally did everything else off camera because sorry, I'm actually very sick. Because why not? Like, I don't see why I would waste your time me doing well, I had foundation on already, but concealer, highlight, all that good stuff. Only thing that I should have probably done on camera was I put stickers there just so it could be like negative, a little empty space, like cute little heart, like you can tell it's there but you can't tell it's there. I'm going to take the Britman Rock Lit palette, the shade, I think it's called Mercy. Yes, it is. Oh, the shade right here. and put that on my lower lash line because I do want red, but I want a dark red, but like also like a little shimmer, a little something something. Pretty sure this is my favorite shade in this palette, not gonna lie. For the lips, I'm going to do the same lip that I did for last weekend's pink look, only because it's really cute, but I'm not going to add the Dream Castle glitter gloss. I'm going to use the Bretman Rock gloss because I want a subtle gloss, not bright pink. I don't want it to look too bright. So I'm going to take the Duke's Lippy Pencil and the Mirror Lippy Stick first. And this is the finished look. I did not add the gloss only because, yeah, changed my mind. I might add it later when I take my roof selfies, but who knows. I like this. It's very, very pink. Very, I look like, I don't know. I like it, but whoa baby, I'm gonna go to work and all of my students are gonna be surprised because I don't do this kind of look for work. Like, it's usually on the weekends, or I just don't wear pink to work. So, it should be fun. Like, even pink lipstick, I don't wear it to work. I don't know why, I just don't. But, you know, it's Valentine's Day. My hair actually came out really nice. It was smart to sleep with it twisted. That was smart. But, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this up, though. It doesn't hurt, but I don't know. Yeah, put it to the side. I look like a child. That's why I don't know if I'm going to keep this up. I look how I did back in middle school, because I used to wear my hair like this in middle school. I look like a child. Anyway, that's it for this look. I will see you all tomorrow for Face Chart Friday. Bye.